tell people subscribe to Julszhassan, MiJulsz B, MiJulsz B. Everything up.
Aki cheat to the day na pick. Aki cheat and half swing for him to business. I'm here. Him pop you. Me have one. Girl is big or little freak.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Shall I come here and just me in the street?
You know boy can't run up to this. You know boy can't even approach this bone about it talk. Stab him in the neck same time.
And I attractive.
Attract me, I'm that boy. That boy, a dirty boy, you know. When a boy look on my face, a boy knows I'm a drink, a boy can't come to me, a fool.
You pass the place now and you have to
Right, that. Stop laugh.
Some your female and come tell you say you're generous.
You do hairstyles, so stop laugh.
Are you tell me to put that in the door?
And you laugh over me. You're blood. You know, you're wicked. You know what? You're wicked, you know.
But we can't laugh.
You're wicked.
We can't laugh.
You're wicked.
I'm not laughing at you because I promise. I'm laughing at the situation. There's a difference.
Because a boy is a boy. It's a boy.
Mm.
Come on, go and try to tell my boy. You see me? And then mute them, man. I'm jealous, you. I'm jealous. You're jealous, dog. You're neat, dog. You dog, you're jealous, dog. Tabby, you do the English. Give him a little star. Make him get a little star. Make him the same thing like mine, but give him something. Give him something.
Hi, Miss Nothing.
Where you get from, friend?
I don't want to buy one drinks, I send popcorn. Check me over and shop. Food and 2 minutes, I don't want to hear nothing. Just tell the drinks. Popcorn, one drinks to that.
You laugh off of money.
No, I laugh after you. I was laughing at the situation.
Laugh off of
It's a big difference. No.
yeah, why English people feel like say one big difference now when they just laugh off of blood clots?
I was laughing with you.
Why they don't understand say when they laugh off you, then just fucking laugh off you?
Easy.
You are trying to make one excuse to laugh off her.
In color?
Yo, if you don't hear shoot,
Go on.
Is it a lie?
Yo,
Shot fire now. Follow Pop me.
yo, the shot me.
Follow not do nothing more than you want to Pop me.
Shot
So I
me,
second and
Beans,
then come
shot
out.
me. Yeah. Me just like it. Alright, sir. Let me like that. Alright, now come.
Say hello. Give mommy a look for you.
No, man.
But move your foot down now.
Don't make me thirsty. Hold up, popcorn.
I'm going to go little in the bed because I don't want to sleep. And boy, they can't talk to me. You can't talk to me like that enough, fool. You're a freak, you know. You can't talk to me, you know. You're a freak. Shake yourself. Boy, they can't talk. Boy, they can't talk to me.
Why?
I'm a freak. This girl is big or little freak that.
Me who took my wallet now and push it, but no boy never call me back when you're back boy.
You can't call me the back boy. You can't talk. David, this boy can't talk to me.
Up to carve off, you ask me if you have a girl. Carve off, I come out, put up on a knowing. Ask me if you have no fun. You can't come near me. A batty boy.
Boy, they're a batty boy, you know. This boy is a batty boy, you know.
Can't go longer.
Yeah.
Says the man who never fuck when he's born.
You understand how virgins is?
No, he can't go longer like that. Why not baby 4 man?
Now you make 5. You make 5. You see me? 4 and 1 make 5.
Hold them.
You see me? You have 5, you know. You have 5, man. Dog, beans.
Bills, but like seriously, like, to go to Saturday, we're going to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
So it's good.
What about today?
We go to vibes.
Today we're going to Cheryl's party.
Yeah. We go to vibes.
Down
Right?
here?
Go to vibes like car.
Not to move now.
No, not here.
Crooks, move now.
Where let's call me?
Crooks.
Crooks.
What they call you, Crocs?
Crooks. So that's all the teeth.
What they call them, Crocs?
Alright, put them.
Crocodile? It no matter, I just want to see him climb me.
Oh, you're crazy, man. Alright, toes.
Get it, Jay! Oh! Oh!
You're crying like a step in.
I walk you when I walk next week.
You know what friend got the other day? And this is how Jamaicans climb tree. Welcome to the Jamaican documentary of how a black man climbs a tree.
You're crazy.
Go on the first limb.
Wanna find mango, man?
Toto. Go on it. Go on Dermian. You can't climb tree. What that mean? What does that mean?
Me?
You're not gonna get dirty, man.
I got. Are you sure down drunk too?
Can go Japan and stone. Ain't got to make part two pile building.
Nobody build it.
He'll caught up in the wires.
No, you see no way.
Drop on the wire, they drop right.
Part. Drop right in front of
Right
yeah.
in front of the posters.
Right in front of the post.
Right off the side of the drop out that tree. And no other limb on that for
Yeah.
Man, catch up.
Aki two of the they na pick Aki tree and a swing for him to business. I'm here.
Him pop you, me have
I'm here.
You run go hold him in that tree.
Me did in the tree to you.
Aki two of the pick dog.
Yo, it come like a gel get to your brain, you know. I really pray you need to go wash you out, man.
Really?
I mean,
I think he looks quite snazzy. You look good, cousin. Do you want some gel, Mark?
No, yeah.
To refine those curls?
Look at your cherry curls.
Come, I want to go kill, shoot some birds. The catapult.
My time.
Oh, because I'll be again. No, no.
Come on, see that? Who the, oh. Look, guys, this is what you call a catapult. Or what you say in England, a slingshot. Did you just make this? Or did you buy it?
yeah, but I make you man.
An original slingshot. Did you make this, Uncle Adam?
One stick of butter. Two scotch bonnet pepper.
That's right. Oh, favorite.
Okay, so now we're watching a Jamaican coming out of the tree.
You didn't sleep. Are you didn't eat it?
Oh look, there's mangoes right there. Look, look, at the front of the tree. Are they ripe?
No.
There's the cups.
Look at styling girl.
Wonderful work, Jane.
Fruits. How much for that? Right, so that open shot, is it?
Right from the hill, that's why I was from the
Yes.
water.
On the left hand side.
Which one? Just pop on it, yeah. Yeah, come on. Oh, that's the scene you got right there. Look up at the thing, the green one.
Oh.
Very fun, yeah. But over here, one big tree.
Why are you so rude?
This is funky.
Oh. Oh, there's me.
Yeah, come on, Marcus is here.
What's
Marcus, I see my shoes there. I call my shoes funky.
my shoes?
Yeah?
I mean, I'm the fair shoes.
You have no way come out of me mouth.
Yeah.
Oh my God, beans.
You must have a fish on your finger and take a shoe.
I want to smell them.
Dude, me left that for Vicky. Go on to Vicky. Vicky out there with Vicky going nostril. No, mommy.
I know, if you smell the shoes, they don't do it.
Yo, babe. To all the shoes and strong man, up to him have to kick them down there. So man come out and they wonder what's the mess out of him. Boy, you see Vicky out here?
Time to have dinner. It's curry chicken neck and rice with my mango right there. Yes.
One salad. Nice one.
And this is how the Jamaicans do it. They don't catch cold in the rain.
No.
Look at them. Shirtless, completely topless.
Lie man, no call him so. No call him so at all, man. Jerry killer movement. The man have been one son. I saw nothing. You want to hear down this, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I want a fast, man.
Oh, Trey, come there.
Watch
Come
out,
on.
watch out, watch out.
Pull up the clock. Pull up the clock over there. I'm on your side.
Watch out, dear live life. Ah! I'm doing pretty mad one more time.
So you can, it's why it's a bit case and he sent me a message otherwise, transfer data to SD card. You will not run this on that Talia? We're not sure. I'm going to come up on the brand, 2 o'clock come up on the brand. I want none in the room, too much boy picking on this. Yeah, I have. I'm not going to watch after they out that door. One of them took this a blood clot.
Yeah.
Watch out, watch out.
I'm myself, I see me look at all of
I like lightning.
that when they feel like blood clot, they see that boy, they're going cold. They're not even a move. I freeze these. Alright, yeah? Pan.
Pan.
Which
Which one? Jerry's?
Which
Which pan the mango? Hey, MiJulsz, what's poppin'?
I
What
miss
is that
you, baby.
smell?
Woo! Come here now, wait. What's up, baby? Get up, get up. Get out, wait up. Get out, wait.
Just a bit. Yeah, right.
How nice rain is up?
MiJulsz, it's raining cats and dogs outside. Raining cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs. Wait, where my rubbish bin? Right, Uncle, go on. Run again, run again, run again. Run again, run again, run again, run again. Run again. Where's my rubbish bin? My rubbish bag? My white bag? It's raining, man. Thank you, Uncle. So, MiJulsz. Eating some mango. Getting mango. Me here. I'm gonna tell mommy. I'm going to tell my mom.
You know you are doing last word, you know.
Run, Tyrese, run! Run, boy! Run, boy! Guys, it's raining.
Why go for go back in the man? Oh, nice rain, lovely, lovely rain. Sure, for the road, hey, for the road alone. Right in my bush, I will wash off. And nobody can wash them off except God. And I... Nobody can do that, no plants can go. The plants will go off blood flash, right? You know where you see?
Yeah.
Aren't you?
That's true.
And I edit nice, you know. Come here, friend, I go and see if I want to vlog with that.
No. Oh, Jason, man? Yeah, right. Oh, if you breathe there. No.
You like carrot food?
Mango nice, guys. Mango nice. Mango so nice. So yeah, what's up, MiJulsz? Me old Julsz, me new Julsz, me in between Julsz. What's poppin'? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys will be doing today. I'm chilling. There's a party happening later on, but the whole Italian, we don't know about that one still.
Why do I put up? Patch the door, patch the door. Patch the door, man. Patch the door, put up wood. You know, nobody around tonight said to you, if you're not feeling it, you're really not far.
Literally. It was sunny. I was here not even 20 minutes ago. And you see the rain now? Crazy, right? That's some crazy ass shit, man. But yeah, MiJulsz, I'll check back with you guys once something is popping off, okay? Because right now, ain't nothing going on. I mean, I am so bored. Nothing I'm going on up in here. Nothing I'm going outside. So yeah. See y'all soon. Nash Nash. Yeah. Say something, Nash. Huh? Say something. What's up? Me? Yeah.
Yo, people, subscribe, Tabia.
Yeah.
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 Yo, people, subscribe it. Julszhassan.
MiJulsz B.
MiJulsz B. Everything up.
So you heard it here first from Talia. Look, she's Talia, I'm Tabia. Talia, Tabia. Mommy, how you feeling?
How am I feeling?
Yeah.
Boy, that is a challenge.
It is. And look how much further we have to go. Look at that hill. We ain't reached nowhere yet, you know.
Well, when did it go?
Oh no!
Yeah.
See him right there in the drain.
Oh, didn't I move him?
Eh? That's what I asked her. Where's her slippers?
That's just a best man.
I said, jeez, and peace. No, man. Serious. Eh? Oh, you need to. No, if buts. Really, mommy? No. This is bad. We all used to walk this hill when we were kids. All of us.
MiJulsz?
Tired. Whew. What's that?
Jesus Christ!
We need a break.
Alright, come again.
And then he's going to make a giant. Okay, come here.
Come, Nash, come. We have to beat them. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Come on. Abe. We beat them.
Man, I talk about changes in life. Jump on a plane if me like. Mommy don't complain, she alright. Changes in life, no more pain in her eyes. Pocket full of dead face, we alright.
MiJulsz and everyone, this is when our school used to be the one that I spoke about in the book. So, when I get the book at least I have an idea of what I'm talking about, but school's not anymore here. We've now past year.
Only from the family member, I put them down on a business with them again. I called him this morning. I'm like, yeah, the month, but which family day service hardly active. You understand? Hear him. Auntie, call me back. Let me do something. Where they do? Where you want to know me? I do something like that. I call him this evening. He went to say to me. Every time they come up with the popcorn, no. Hear me to talk to you. After hearing with your own ears is a different thing. Out of them bright. No manners. Say look you deal with me. I can't believe it. Say you want to talk to me so. Believe me, man.
You know the shoes?
Or switch and turn it on
Come,
your face.
leave it. Go on, Talia. Go on. Yeah, I'm showing them everything, innit? Can't just have one people like only people that exist. All these wasn't in the touching out.
Talia, now water's gone, yeah?
Again?
I'm not going to turn off. Oh.
Swap into the tank.
So are we going to turn it back on?
But must. If you walk on them stone and then slide you shit. I just start go so.
Come let's just have a race.
So when you go run, leave me now or go on. MiJulsz look. me. Tabby, when you talk. What?
That was my phone.
So where you come now and see something?
I break. Listen now.
Man, you told me, man, every time I come now, I pull up and catch you with the money, you know, and give me money.
So that man.
Man, go man, you're going to tell the competition, man. You're back at the cabin.
I tell you.
Oh, man, tell you help me since I'm alright now, man.
Oh.
Man, you go graveyard and tell you care for me, man.
What could you feel?
No, man.
You look heavy.
No, man. My makeup is in there, my powder for my face, man. I have to have my powder for my face, man.
You listen.
No, I'm listening, man.
Listen.
No, you listen to me now. When me first come out, I make way for you last
No.
You have to respect
No.
me. And when you see me,
I was here
you have
first.
to stand straight at attention.
No.
Look at myself, stiff.
You can't buy my flash on my head. I say I'm up. I'm a flash on my head. I know it.
I was trying to pick up something again. I was asking. I lie. I look a bomb one. Hi. I went to catch and drip up that. Where can I catch you, man? Talk it truth. I don't know what you're saying. Who is the prettiest right here, so?
Me.
Who is prettier? Walk.
Wait.
Me. Who am? Me.
I get me.
Mr. Who out here, so? Is the prettiest right about me?
Me.
Put up your hand if it's me.
If a girl you put her hand if it's me.
Alright, so put up your hand for Adam. No! Adam, if I'm here, you will run!
Silence is consent.
No! That's the case, sir. Because the question was asked.
So what?
Who?
Look
Is the prettiest? It's me.
Who looks stupidest?
What I put this other one in the neighborhood here, eh? So I'm going to come from money.
So I said I'm going to circle. They say please send it down for sponsor poor people. Yeah?
In case I'm going to Elisa who poor come and collect the money. Never care poor. You mad? You know me work like me right but when ganja mad me. I'm remembering upon now I look all the design there so the pure grass back land trees are seeing me. Which I see me I run in that backside. Hey, more I read the book.
That's your obvious, so you grew up in a slavery.
That joker man. We grew up one time was sophisticated. You didn't have all these things for looting. Come. You never have all, MiJulsz, you never have all these things for looting the mine.
White.
Television, refrigerator, all these. Why is it? You never have all these things for looting the mine. Mobile phones and all these things.
Listen, you know what color? Color code. You're full of color.
You have to use contrasting and all them sort of things.
You can't put some pants.
Let's say I'm not me today. Wait.
Go on the bike.
You're joking, never.
Just down the road and come back.
No?
Color code, okay.
When we come out when we tag them, we don't have problem. We come out and use the colors, them, we don't have problem. Alright, no problem. No problem.
But sure, I have no problem now about it.
Hey, you know your big snap assassins well? Monty say, in here say me married and not give them no Nike. So I say, come on, Mr. Simon, come on, Mr. Simon. So Monty here say, he said, grab us, sister. He called grab her, I up and he said, grab her. I'm here, see her, say, how me married and not going to Nike. He said, no matter what, he can't stand about that day. Yeah, Monty, you tell me, sir. So Monty couldn't go in before, he goes, so can't go in the now. Hear me song that.
Spanish town rocking. Alright now.
Yeah, man.
Spanish town.
Alright now. I love you, hey, but time pull out a song with me. Time pull out a song with me.
Pull up. Tell you, I got my phone.
No, say back to pull up.
Money pull up. You have to hold on your butt.
Okay, $100.
Why, mommy?
Hey, I'm right now. Go turn up.
Come here, we are blowing right now. Come here.
Let me get a pull up right now.
I don't have a bag of money, you know. I know that that's a man. Alright. Come in, my dad. Bumper!